talk about how can you fix this problem on your Pay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. So you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Pay app, or just click here on search. Then you add here Pay, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage here. Then you come to storage list, you just click here on clear cache here. So then you go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store. Then you search here for Pay Network here. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.